Yeah, okay. Hello, guys. Thank you for the support you're giving me on this channel. Okay, I'll be posting tutorials now on a weekly basis, probably twice a week or thrice a week, since I'm also occupied due to other jobs and duties. And also, those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe, share, like, comment. I'll be training you here. Free lessons on seven, yeah? Okay, thank you. So today I want to show you just a simple seven that I played on my previous video. You can just come close. Yeah, the seben was like this, eh? So you shall start from this is the fifth, eh? The scale of F sharp, eh? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So this is the fifth chord, yeah? This is the fifth. This is the fifth first the root inversion. Then you have the first inversion. Now you omit the F note, yeah? Yeah? This is the E major chord. The flat 7. No, the flat 7, huh? You can see. F sharp, B flat, F sharp again. This is the sixth minor, but you omit the F note, yeah? This is the fourth major chord. Then you do this thing. Yeah? Yeah? Sorry? Yeah? This is the F sharp, E sharp, then C sharp. Yeah, the first place you will, yeah. Now the second time you should go. Yeah. Hope you are getting there. Let me go slowly. Then you repeat that thing. Yeah. So I want also to show you the left hand skill. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is how you are going to play it. You shall start from this note. Yeah. The second. That's a chromatic movement. Yeah. Yeah. is the 1 and the second, then the sharp 2 and the third. And you double the third, yeah. You double the second, the fourth. This is the 6th. Then 1, then 3 in the lower octave. Then you kick the 1 on the lower side. Yeah. Yeah, now this is the second part, yeah. Okay, so thank you for watching my video, and subscribe, and so that you can be notified for the next video. Thank you.